In this video, I'll solve two problems of finding domain and range of the given function. You know that domain is all possible inputs for the function. Range is nothing but all possible outputs you will get out of the function. Domain means possible values of x. Range means possible values of y. Let us take the first function, that is y equal to minus modulus of x. Okay. So you can give any real number as input. Therefore, domain of this function equal to set containing r, set of all real numbers is the domain. You can give any input like 1 point anything. It is always defined. When you get not defined or infinity, in such cases you can't give that value as input, but here it is possible for any real number, so domain is r. Now to find the range of this function, modulus function will have range is a closed interval 0 to infinity. You know that modulus function means the graph will be like this, 0 to infinity. Minus of modulus function, its negative will be in the downward direction, that is in the negative y-axis. Hence range becomes minus infinity to 0. All negative values of y and including 0, that becomes the range of the function. By observation only you can find the range of the function, or else give the values in particular. Give x equal to 1, y becomes minus 1. Okay, we give x equal to 2, y equal to minus 2, and so on. So all negative real numbers only you will get as output, including 0, hence minus infinity to 0. Now second function, y equal to square root of 9 minus x square. This is the value within the square root. Okay, we know that square root is defined only when the input is the value within the square root is positive. So 9 minus x square should be greater than or equal to 0. That is the domain of domain means possible inputs for the function square root. Square root function, square root of minus x is not defined. Square root of negative number is imaginary. Therefore, domain of the function is all possible values of x, which will make the entire value positive or 0. So 9 is greater than or equal to x square is less than or equal to 9. Which values of x possible? X is 0, 1, 2, 3. 3 square is 9. 4 square not possible, which is 16, not less than 9. Similarly, you can give minus 1, minus 2, minus 3 also, because minus 3 whole square is also 9. 9 equal to 9. Not just these full numbers, any value in between this. So x value, x belongs to minus 3 comma 3, closed interval. I have written it in the interval form because not just these values, any value in between 1 and 2, that is a real number, can also be given as input for the function minus 3 comma 3. Now output of the function y belongs to, that is range of this function equal to 0 comma 3. That is because you keep on giving any value. X equal to 0 you give. Square root of 9 is 3. Okay, x equal to 1. Square root of 9 minus 1 is 8, less than that 3. Next, similarly, when you give x equal to 3, 9 minus 9 is 0. So least value is 0, greatest value is 3. Therefore, range of this function will be y is equal, belongs to the closed interval 0 comma 3, or any value in between. That is how range, in the sense output, possible outputs of the function. That is how we calculate range and domain of the function. Domain means values of x, possible values of x. Range means possible values of y. Now find the range of each of the following function. It is enough if you find the range, because domain already given. First function, y equal to 2 minus 3x, x belongs to r and x is positive. So I have to find out where this y value belongs to. So you have to get the values here. X is positive, they had given all positive real numbers. So 2 minus 3x. Okay, x is greater than 0. You can do like this. 3x is also greater than 0. Multiply 3 on both sides. Minus 3x is less than 0. When you multiply by negative sign, inequality reverses. Then add 2 on both sides. Less than 2. 2 minus 3x. Y is less than 2. So 2 minus 3x is less, y is less than 2. Outputs are always lesser than 2. So minus infinity comma 2. This is the range of the given function. So range means possible values of y How exactly to find the possible values of y? uh, Based on the given condition. X is positive means I need y in this form, so you have to get somehow y in this form, that is multiply by 3 on both sides, 3x is greater than 0. Then we need minus, so multiply by negative sign, inequality reverses. Then we need 2, add 2 on both sides, but 2 minus 3x is y is less than 2. So range of the function is minus infinity comma 2. Now in the second case, y equal to, it is y equal to x square plus 2. X is a real number where x belongs to R. Just no, neither positive nor negative, nothing is specified, just it is a real number. It can be positive, negative or 0. So belongs to R means x square is always greater than or equal to 0. This we know because square of any real number is positive, always positive, and square of a 0 is 0. So x square is greater than or equal to 0. I want it in this form. So x square, add 2 on both sides, greater than or equal to 0 plus 2. X square plus 2 is nothing but y is greater than or equal to 2. Therefore, range means value of y equal to 2 to infinity. Any value starting from 2, that's why closed interval, up to infinity. Any value of y, any value within this interval can be taken by y. Next, f of x equal to x. X is a real number. Very simple identity function it is. Y equal to x where x belongs to R. Okay, y is same as x and x is in R, therefore range is also equal to R. Range is same as input, range is same as domain. Domain they had given, domain equal to R they had given possible values for x. So as y equal to x, range is also equal to R. So this is how to find the range when the domain is given, and in the previous examples we have seen how to find both domain and range. I hope you understood. Thanks for watching.